Organize your memories with iPhone photo albums in minutes. First, create album by selecting Photos. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Then tap on Select at the top right corner. Choose the photos you want to add to the album by tapping on them. After selecting the photos, tap the Share icon at the bottom left. From the sharing options, tap on Add to Album. Now you can either select an existing album, or tap the plus icon to create a new album. Enter a name for your album, and tap Create. Your new photo album will now be created with the selected photos. Second, create album first and then add photos. Open the Photos app. Look at the bottom and tap on Collections. In here, tap on Albums. To create a new album, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner and select New Album from the menu. Give your album a name. Then tap on Add Photos just above. Here, select all the photos you want to include in this album. After selecting, tap on the Done icon at the top right corner. Finally, tap on Create to finish creating the album. And just like that, the photos will be added to the newly created album.